In today's video, I'll show you how to have Microsoft Teams show you as away. So for that, what you have to do is just simply open up your Microsoft Teams. And after you have successfully opened up your Microsoft Teams, what you have to do is just simply go to the top right and find the profile picture. As you can see, this is my profile picture. So to set my status as away, what I need to do is come here to Microsoft Teams and this profile picture and click on it. And after I click on it, it says available over here. This is my current status, and I can set a status message if I want. Now, how to change it to set as away? So to do that, just click on available, and it's going to give you a bunch of options. For example, available, busy, do not disturb, be right back, appear away, appear offline, or reset status. Appear away is the one we want, so just click on that. Then you will see the icon change, and it's going to say away. And basically, that is how to stay away in Microsoft Teams. If you keep it like that, it's gonna be like that. If you did like this video, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe